Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do prepositions of class 8th. So in prepositions we have to use at, on, in, within, and other prepositions we will talk about afterwards. And first we have to see at. It is used point of time, at festival, at meal time, indefinite period. Like the examples, the burglary took place at midnight. I will be going home at Diwali. We will discuss this problem at lunch. And it is used at 5 o'clock, at noon, at midnight, at Christmas, at Diwali, at lunch, and at dinner, at dawn, and at night. So these are the things where we use at. Now, second is our on. On is used day, date, day plus morning and evening, afternoon, night, etc. It is also used on days like on Friday, on Sunday, on the 17th March, on Friday morning, on Saturday morning. So, examples are the train will reach Mumbai on Friday morning. The annual function takes place on 8th March. So these were the examples of on. So now we are going to do in. It is used in seasons like in spring, in winter. And it is used in year, in 2009, in 2011, like these. Month, in March, in July. Part of the day, in the morning. Like examples are Neil Armstrong landed on the moon in 1969. We shifted to this house in March. It also shows future time starting from now. I will be back in 2 hours. So a person is saying, I will back in 2 hours. You will get this information in 15 minutes. So these were the examples. And fourth is our in within. In is at the end of, within before the end of. So examples are I will be back in 2 hours. I will be back within 2 hours. So it is at the end of 2 hours. Before 2 hours have passed. So the work has not started yet. So we are using within. So others prepositions are other prepositions showing times. Look at these illustrated to understand some other prepositions. At 5 o'clock. So we have seen the uses of at over here. And now here about 5 o'clock. So you must ring me before 5 o'clock. They are expected here about 5 o'clock. So here we use then after 5 o'clock. I won't be in the office after 5 o'clock. Until. I won't leave this office until 5 o'clock. By 5 o'clock. Will you be home by 5 o'clock? From 5 o'clock to 8 o'clock. The doctor will be available from 5 o'clock to 8 o'clock. For since sent for page number 26, the office at closes at 5. So you should be back home. So we have seen we have to use at. And then second, the next meeting will be held dash Friday 23rd June. So we have to use on Friday 23rd June. We were at Ooty from 15th till 22nd May. And then don't leave the room until I am back. So we have seen the uses of until over here. Until. So then what happened dash the teacher left the class. What happened to the teacher? As the cock crowed dash dawn I got out of the bed. Before dawn. So here we're going to use before. And then Mr. Williamson reaches here dash Monday dash in the evening and leaves dash Wednesday morning. Mr. William reaches here on Monday in the evening and leaves by Wednesday morning. So this was our first exercise. You can have screenshot if you want.